Are you ready to discover a powerful combination that can generate thousands of dollars per month? In this video, I'll show you how I make $5,735 every month using DeepSeek AI and Pinterest affiliate marketing. You don't need a website, prior experience, or even a huge social media following. This method is beginner-friendly and scalable. So, if you're ready to start making passive income online, keep watching until the end. DeepSeek AI is an advanced AI tool that helps generate high-quality content, product descriptions, and engaging posts in seconds. The key to making money with DeepSeek AI is using it to create compelling content that drives traffic to your affiliate links. You don't have to spend hours writing or brainstorming. Just let DeepSeek AI do the work for you. Pinterest is one of the best platforms for affiliate marketing. It's a visual search engine with over 400 million active users looking for ideas, products, and solutions every day. The best part? Pinterest pins can go viral and drive traffic for months or even years. Unlike other social media platforms where posts disappear quickly, Pinterest gives your content long-term exposure. Choosing the right niche is essential for success. Some of the most profitable niches on Pinterest include health and fitness, home decor, personal finance, self-improvement, tech and gadgets. To maximize your earnings, focus on a niche that has high-ticket affiliate products and a large audience. Once you have a niche, it's time to find affiliate programs. Some of the best options include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, digital product marketplaces like Gumroad and Etsy. Sign up for these programs and grab your unique affiliate links for products that fit your niche. DeepSeek AI makes content creation easy. Use it to generate blog-style Pinterest descriptions, engaging captions, and even full-length articles that link back to your affiliate products. Just enter a topic and DeepSeek AI will provide you with ready-to-use content. Some content ideas include product comparisons, best home gym equipment for small spaces, how-to guides, how to organize your kitchen like a pro, list posts, 10 must-have gadgets for tech lovers. To attract clicks, you need eye-catching pins. Use Canva or Photoshop to design professional, engaging pins. Here are some tips. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts, bright, high-contrast colors. Clear call to action, e.g., click to learn more. Include your affiliate product visually in the pin. Posting consistently is key. Follow this strategy. Pin at least 5 to 10 times per day. Use Tailwind or Pinterest's native scheduler for automation. Join Pinterest group boards and Tailwind tribes to increase reach. Optimize pins with SEO-friendly keywords in titles and descriptions. Monitor your Pinterest analytics to see which pins perform best. Double down on successful pins by creating variations and rep-inning them. Also, track clicks and conversions using Google Analytics to refine your strategy. And that's it. This is how I make $5,735 per month using DeepSeek AI and Pinterest affiliate marketing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.